So good evening, sir.
Very good evening, brother. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing very well. Everything is going on very well. And after a long time, we are meeting each other. How have you been? First of all, please tell me how have you been? How is your practice going on?
I'm good, brother. Practice is top notch. I'm practicing.
Yes, yes. And are you improving your English skill day by day?
I don't know, but I'm practicing every day.
Yes. Yeah, maybe you made this kind of video, and after making this kind of video, maybe you watched that video. Yeah, and after watching that video, maybe you will get what kind of you are improving. You maybe definitely will get.
Right, right. And how's your practice going on?
Yes, and nowadays my practice is going on very well because every single day I get up early in the morning around 4:30 a.m. and at that time I go for morning walk. At that time, and I do two walks at a time. Number one is walking, and number two is my practicing using another application. I connect with another person with video with audio call at that time.
In morning only.
Yeah, yeah, in the early morning.
Okay.
All right, sir. First of all, please say something about yourself. I know very well about yourself. Before starting our conversation, yeah, we should introduce ourselves. So, first of all, please say something about yourself for my viewers.
Thank you so much, brother, for providing me this wonderful opportunity. And okay, as you see, my name is Isal Duhan. I come from Sonipat, Haryana. I am 30 years old. By profession, I am a railway employee. I have been working in Indian Railway since 2016. It's almost 10 years service completed. And nowadays I am learning spoken English. This is the reason I am here.
Okay. Yes, yes. Okay, okay. And, sir, you right now, also, you have been working over there more than 10 years.
Right,
Yes. And how many members do you have in your family?
including me, we are six in my family. My parents, wife, two children.
Okay. You have two children.
Yes, brother, I have. And what's about you? How many members are there in your family?
Yeah, there are four members in my family. My mother, my wife, and one also kids is my daughter and me.
Okay,
So you have a
okay.
two children, and is how old are they?
Daughter is 4 years old. Son is 2 year old.
Okay, okay. And are they going to English medium school?
No, my daughter last year started going to like in school. So right now she completed her nursery.
Okay,
Yes. And my
yes,
son
yes,
is very young, like 2 years. How can we expect that from him going to school?
yeah, yeah. Actually, environment is very important. And do you speak with your daughter in English at your house?
No.
Yeah, for your children, always you have to make a good English environment. Yeah, so that they can
Okay.
learn this language very easily. Because
But okay.
during my study, and at that time there was no English medium school in my locality. Nowadays
Okay.
there are so many English medium school, but during my study
Okay.
there was no English medium school. And yeah, nowadays I noticed that most of the guardians and most of the parents, they are always sending their child in English medium school. Yeah, and but they are always sending their child in English medium school, but they don't speak with them in English at their house. It is the problem. Yeah.
Right, 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 right. Okay,
So, sir,
brother, I live in joint family, so it's not possible that everyone like will talk in English only. Like we use our mother tongue. But I use like some words, some phrase, short phrase I use.
okay. And you are from Haryana, and what is the native language?
Okay, native language is Haryanvi. It's similar to Hindi. There is
Okay.
no such difference between Haryanvi and Hindi. If you can understand Hindi, so very sure you will understand Haryanvi.
And in Haryana, what kind of places are famous over there in Haryana?
Okay, in Haryana, Gurugram, it's IT hub of Haryana. And
Hmm.
some states, some districts, they have their like historical preference or like importance. Like Panipat in Haryana. Panipat is famous for battles like Panipat's battle 1, 2, 3. Everyone studied in history. And Kurukshetra is directly related to Mahabharata.
Yeah, yeah. Yes.
So, and
Sir,
here are some lakes, some gurdwaras, some temple, and so there are some bird sanctuary. There are some famous places.
and sir, do you like watching cricket match?
What, brother?
Do you like watching cricket match?
Okay, I like watching cricket, but honestly speaking, nowadays I don't watch any cricket match.
Yes, yes. Similar. Earlier I used to watch so many cricket match, but nowadays I don't watch any cricket match. And have you ever seen any live cricket match on the playground?
No, brother, I haven't seen.
Yes. Yeah, I have seen so many times, maybe around 4 or 5 times. Yeah, I have seen the live cricket match on the cricket ground in Kolkata Eden Garden.
Okay, okay.
And do you know Kopil Dev Nikhanj, who belong to your state?
Yes, he's very famous. Like those they are really interested in cricket, watching or playing, they know him very well.
Okay, okay. So, sir, tell me, and nowadays, what do you do in your free time?
Okay, I don't have too much free time, but I prefer spending time with spoken English whenever I have time. Recently, I came back from my work, so after having tea, I messaged in this group anyone free for interested in having a conversation, and I got reply from your side. So I thought that my session is pending, remaining with you. So
Yes, yes. Yeah,
and
nowadays
like
also I don't.
okay, okay.
Yes, ask me, ask me.
Okay, 1.5 hour I give to spoken English. Same thing like 1 and 2 hour I give to my fitness. So I go outside, I run, I jump, I do some weightlifting. So around 3 hour I give like both skills, spoken English and fitness.
Okay, okay. Right now also you are doing a good job. Yeah, exercise is the good of our health. Yeah, nowadays I notice
Yes,
that
yes, yes.
young boys, they are not playing. They are not interested playing cricket or playing football. Nowadays they are playing, but on the mobile phone. Yeah, they are playing, but they are not
Right.
interested
Very
playing
true.
football or cricket on the ground. But sir, right now, still now you are also doing exercise. It is also good sign for you.
Right, brother. Agree.
Yes. And sir, what do you think about your English speaking journey? Are you improving your English skill day by day?
Okay, it's a reality that if we do any work in this world on daily basis, so we are getting better day by day. Same thing in my case. I am improving day by day, but every day I can't measure my progress.
Okay, okay, yes. And sir, now you are from Haryana, and have you ever visited any another state in our country apart from Haryana?
Yes, I have visited the nearest state of Haryana, including Punjab, Himachal, Jammu, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, and once I visited South India, like Karnataka state.
Yes, and you have visited so many places, so many states in our country. And before speaking English, when you did not start your English speaking journey at that time, did you face any problem? Did you face any issue for speaking English, for communicating with another person
Okay,
over there?
okay, brother, I visited like neighboring state of Haryana. So mostly
Yeah.
they know Hindi very well. So I did not face any difficulty because I knew Hindi and they also knew how to speak in Hindi. So that time I
Okay.
did haven't faced any difficulty. But in
Okay.
Karnataka, I noticed that if you know spoken English, so you have advantages.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I have heard that who belong to southern part mostly, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. At that place, I noticed that they are also speaking English very well. Yeah, I have heard that who belong to southern part of our country, they always speak their native language, otherwise English. They never speak in Hindi.
Okay, some of them they also speak Hindi,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
majority of them like they prefer talking in like their mother tongue. After that, they prefer having conversation in English only.
Okay. And sir, right now, so you are. I noticed that you have been learning this language for a long time. I have been learning this language for a long time. I know very well. It is not a piece of cake. It is not. It is not a cup of tea. It will always take time. Yeah. English is not my mother tongue. Yeah. That's why it will always take time. In my country, in my locality, there is no good English environment. That's why it will always take time. But sir, how much, according to you, how much time it will take time to be a fluent speaker?
Okay, if you are like a hardworking person, if you are like doing all necessary thing for this language, so it will take around 1 hour. In my opinion, it will take 1 hour, 1 year, not hour, 1 year.
Yeah. 1 year.
Yes,
Yes, yes, I totally agree with you. Actually, how much time do you practice? It is depend on how much time it will take time to be a fluent speaker. Yeah, if you practice every
right,
single
right,
day, 10 minutes or 20 minutes, maybe it will take time around 6 months. But every
right,
single
right,
day, do you practice every single day 1 hour or 2 hours? Yeah, you can learn this language just 3 months. Yeah.
right. Yes, it's totally. The more you practice, the more you are going to save your time.
Yes, and if there is a good English environment, yeah, everyone speaks English. If you are living over there, you can learn this language very easily because there is a good English environment.
Right, right.
But in my
Very
country,
true,
in
brother.
my locality, there is no good English environment. That's why it will always take time.
We have to make our environment. Right now, we can't make
Yeah.
this excuse. I don't have environment. I don't have this thing, that thing. We have our mobile, so we have access of internet, so we can create our environment. Right now,
Yes,
you
yes.
are from
And sir,
West Bengal. I am from Haryana. We are creating our environment.
yes, yes, definitely. And sir, do you speak with your colleague at your office in English?
No, brother, no. Mostly we talk in our like mother tongue, and after that in Hindi.
Okay. Yes, yes. And sir, I know very well to learn any language, always you have to follow four rules. LSRW, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Four things are very important for learning the language. But what do you think? What is the most important part for learning this language?
Okay, we are lacking in speaking, so for us, like most important part or portion is spoken or speaking. We have to speak, otherwise we are
Yes,
just remembering the rules, and in future we will forget the things. We can understand, but we are lacking in speaking, so we should start speaking. In my
yes, yes.
opinion, speaking is must.
Yes, I totally agree with you. Listening and speaking. Yeah, listening and speaking both are very
Yes,
important. Yeah,
yes. If you are
because
speaking,
always.
so definitely you will listen.
Yes, yes. Actually, always you have to think how did you learn your native language? That's why by listening and by speaking. That's why listening and
Right,
speaking. Yeah, both
right,
are
right,
very
right.
important.
Very
Yeah,
true. Yes,
yeah,
absolutely right. We
yeah.
learned
I
our
totally
mother
agree
tongue
with you.
by
Speaking,
observation.
speaking is the speaking is the most important part because nowadays I notice that in my locality there are so many students. They are good at English grammar. They are good at English subject. They have got 100 marks. Yeah, out of 100. They can read properly in English. They can write properly in English. They can also understand while watching any English content, but they cannot speak English properly. But what is the reason behind it? Because they don't open their mouth. Yeah, always they have to
Right, right,
open their
right.
mouth and always they have to speak regular basis. They do not practice regular basis. Practice is the most important key and speaking is the most important part.
Yes, absolutely right. I agree with you. It doesn't matter you how many rules and vocab do you know, but main thing is implementation. If you till then you are not opening your mouth, you won't learn this language. Open your mouth and start speaking.
Yes, yes, you're right. And and sir, nowadays what kind of method do you follow for improving your English skill nowadays?
Just simple things, brother. Things are going on. I watch like YouTube videos. I practice here and like I speak, I listen, and I read whenever I have time. So I prefer reading. Sometimes I read
Yes, yes.
magazine, newspaper, or article, grammar book. I read.
Yeah, I also whenever I get free time, I always watch the YouTube video in English. Yeah, and I try to understand why watching any English content. Yeah, what kind of sentence are using over there. Yeah, but yes, in my point of view, reading is also important. Nowadays, do you read? I don't read. Nowadays, do you read?
I read better. Not every day, but 2 or 3 days in a week I read.
Yes, yes. Yeah, reading is also important. Yeah, by reading you can learn so many new vocabulary. Yeah, which are very important. Yeah, but I don't like
Right,
reading.
right.
It is boring to me. Yeah, and when I try to read something, at that time I get feel sleepy. Yeah, I always feel sleepy. That's why I have to face a
Okay,
lot of problem for improving my
there
vocabulary
is.
skill.
It's not compulsory. It's not compulsion that you should. You must read. You can avoid reading if you are not comfortable with reading. The more like you are enjoying spoken, like speaking or listening, so you can continue listening. It's every person have their own style, own unique way.
Yes, yes. Well, all right, sir. And right now in Haryana, you are from Haryana, and how is the weather over there?
It was raining here.
Yeah, yeah. A few minutes ago, it was raining. Yeah, in my locality. But nowadays, it rain stopped. Yeah, but few minutes ago,
Same
it was
here.
raining.
Same
Okay.
here. 20 to 30 minutes ago, it was raining here, but right now weather is
Yeah.
clean.
Okay. Yeah, that's why the sky is cloudy right now.
Right, right. Almost same, brother. Almost same.
Okay. And the summer season has already started. And what kind of season do you like? Do you like summer season or winter season or rainy season? What kind of season do you like?
I like autumn and spring. Both have
Okay.
like moderate temperature, so neither too cold nor too hot.
Yeah, maybe most of the people they always like this kind of season, spring, autumn. Yeah,
Like yes, like in February, March season or like October or November.
yeah. And if I give two season, only summer or winter, and which season do you like?
Okay, nowadays yeah, I prefer I would like to choose a summer because
Summer.
right now I go to work every day. So in summer, it is like easy. Days duration are long, but in winter it's too much fog here, so it's challenging. I go to my work on bike, so in winter it's too much challenging. Everywhere is fog, and days duration is less. We can't see sun. So, but in summer it's manageable. Days are like very clean. So earlier I
Okay.
used to like winter. Nowadays I prefer summer.
Yeah, I always like summer season better than the winter season because in the winter season I have to wear so many things, caps, sweaters, jackets, so many things. That's why I don't like. But in the summer season, wearing a t-shirt, I can move here and there. There is no problem. Number one reason, and number two, the summer season, the daytime is very long. That's why I can
Right,
move here and there so many things, and I can do so many things in the daytime. But in the winter season, the daytime is very short. Yeah, that's why I don't like the winter season.
right, brother. Same. I also think same way.
Yes, yes. All right, sir. It was a nice conversation with you because I have to go another place. Yeah. All right. It was a nice conversation with you. Thank you for giving your valuable time. I have learned so many things by connecting with you. All right, sir. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Thank you so much, sir. Nice to talk to you. Bye. See you soon.
Okay. Okay.
Till
Thank
then,
you.
take care.